Hello, welcome to another Winter Weather Weekly. We have some yellow weather alerts across parts of the country, central England, North Wales, Northern Ireland, and some parts of Scotland as well over the next 2 to 3 days. I'm going to talk a little bit about some of those forecasts that are being expected. There will be some snow on high grounds, quite significant snow on high grounds, and much less at lower levels. The front that's coming in is bumping into some colder air, which is coming down from the north. And there's a low pressure system with wet weather, obviously, that's bumping into the cold air. The slightly tricky situation at the moment with the meteorologists and the forecasters is it's because it's quite a transient front and it's pinpointing exactly where the snow is going to fall as snow and where it's going to fall as rain is a little bit tricky. And even with only about 24 hours to go, there's still a little bit of adjustment that still could take place. So where we believe the most accumulation of snow to be will take place around about mid-morning through to tomorrow afternoon across northern Wales, the very highest ground in northern Wales, the Pennines and the north of England. Some areas of Northern Ireland as well will catch some of that front as well, and that could lead to some snowfall in those areas also. Elsewhere, it's possible of 2 to 5 centimetres or even less than that on lower ground. Higher ground, anything up to 15 or 20 centimetres. That seems a lot. However, the front that's coming in is going to move quite slowly, but when it does move, it's going to be bringing in milder air behind it, so any snow that does fall will melt fairly quickly, and the rain will also help that situation also. Moving into the weekend, most of the snow and the snowfall is really only confined to the far north of Scotland. So the south of England, southwest of England, the southeast of England, and East Anglia will not see any snow at all. So it's quite a moving picture, as I say, and the updates on the Met Office website will keep you up to date with the yellow and amber alerts, and there are some significant snowfalls in those areas. So if you're one of our existing customers, we would have planned for that service also. Fairly significant snowfall for a short period of time on the highest ground only, and low ground areas between 2 and 5 centimetres. And then moving into next week, once that system moves out of the way, we're going to be staying largely cold and dry with the high pressure system back in control, settled conditions, and feeling much more like an average February than of late. That's your Winter Weather Weekly. Bye for now.